everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today's videos we're gonna do an unboxing, and this time we're not unboxing for any other brand. I'm gonna unbox my own brand, Yibu Beauty. And if you have not checked out my skincare brand Yibu Beauty, check the link below. Definitely support me. I really appreciate that. I also think you're gonna love my brand. Okay, so this is the first product we launched at Yibu Beauty. It's called Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer. It doesn't matter you order one product, two product, or in the future we're gonna have a lot more product coming out soon. And it doesn't matter how many pieces you order, you're always gonna receive the product in a box like this. Very sturdy, heavy box. Because to me, this is represent luxury. Luxury shouldn't be categorized by how much you spend or how famous the brand is. It's the experience, and that's what I define luxury is. So when you receive this, you should have a little Yibu logo sticker right here. And when you open it, you ready? You will see this beautiful color inside, and with our full-on logo Yibu. And this is the Chinese character, a step, okay? And then product will be packing in the white tissue paper with a sticker. I don't know, well, I think if you guys follow me, you know that this is very similar like the Chanel unboxing, Hermes, Gucci, all these luxury brands that they use nice tissue with a sticker on the center. So that's something that I wanted to capture. So you see that? How pretty is that, right? Okay. By the way, eventually I want a whole box with our color and our logo. But as a business owner, I recently learned this. Everything costs money. Oh my God, so expensive. But I want to at least open it. You can see these beautiful colors, okay? So let's open this sticker up. This is so pretty, oh my goodness. So you open it. There's another layer. And the product will be sitting right in here. Me personally, I hate when I buy skincare or buy anything, they put either popcorn in the box or shredded paper. That's just so messy. I hate that. So I make sure that our team using just the same white paper to create a cushion in between the product. So right now I put two color right here. This one is the medium to dark shades, and we'll also have this one light to mediums. Okay, so let's open this up right now. How do you like it so far? Leave the comment below. Let me know. Does it feel luxury to you, or it doesn't even feel luxury? I want to hear that. Okay, so this is the Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer. This is the, I have to say that, you know, it literally take me 27 years to get to today's point. And now I want to take this quick moment and say thank you for all those people in my past 27 years work experience, you know, all my manager, even the BC that work for me, because your support, courage lead to today's, I don't want to say success, lead to today's accomplishment, I would say that. It's very emotional, so I want to say thank you so much. Okay, so, my goodness, I'm like, okay, so the box, okay, even though I have a lot of experience in cosmetics, but I really don't know the business part, like the logistic part of the business. So I learned a lot, let me tell you this. And oh, by the way, I want to say thank you so much for all my team at Yibu, help me, support me. Without them, I cannot even launch the product. It's really a journey, let me tell you that. Okay, so the box, you see this, I want to show you that. The box is it's pretty much matte finish, all of them, but we'll put a UV coat on the logo. So this way when you see the logo will be shining like this. I like that. And of course we are animal cruelty-free, vegan, recycle. The product, once you open, it lasts only 6 months. And we really follow all the regulation. We don't want to overpromise for anything. I love glass finish, and because to me, glass is represent luxury. But don't get me wrong, their product will be launching in the future. It's gonna be plastic because the way and everything, you just have to go that route. But at least to me, the first product, I gotta do what I really love. So it's the glass, the matte cap finish. Let me tell you, this matte cap finish literally takes long time to complete. It's a lot of work. And of course I have a tiny small logo right here. I think it's very simple, very clean, very elegant, And that's Mooncast. Now let's try this on my face. So what I want to do for you guys is I'm going to turn off all my lighting. I'm going to move the camera to the other side, use the real sunlight so you can see how product work on my skin. So let's try the Mooncast on my face right now. I'm facing the light of the window. I turn off all the artificial light here so it's most clear. I also turn off all the filter function on my camera. I recently bought a new camera called Sony ZV-1, something like that. It has a built-in filter. I turn that all off because I think if you want to do this, I'm going to do it real well. Okay, so let me get close here. This side of my face, I have a moisturizer. This side, I don't have anything, just wash off face naturally. So I'm gonna use the color that matches me the best is light to medium. So I wanna show you guys how this product works. You literally need just one pump. Don't need to use a lot, okay? Get close to show you that. Again, it is a tinted, so that means it has a small amount of pigment. Closely look at how the tinted work on the skin here. It's definitely have a lot more skincare ingredient than the pigmentations. That's why I say, you know, Mooncast multitasking tinted moisturizer contain over 90% skin loving ingredients. So Mooncast, no Mooncast. Okay, let me finish this side now. This side I did not have any skincare, so I want to show you how that will affect the skin. Okay, put this right here. One pump, that's all you need. Get closer here to show you guys. Because it's a skincare, you really want to apply upward stroke like this. It's still very moisturizing, but personally, I much prefer you put on your skincare before you apply this, that you can get the best results. Also, summer is coming up. You definitely want to wear your sunblock before you apply Mooncast, because Mooncast has no sun protection in there at all. So okay, so I finished the application for Mooncast on both sides of my face. This side is with the skincare treatment. This side has no skincare treatment. And it's just one pump, that's all you need. You don't need to use a lot. So I really hope that you get to try Mooncast and let me know how you like the product. Tag us on social media so we can repost. We'd love to see your beautiful faces using Mooncast multitasking tinted moisturizer. Thank you so much for watching my video today. It means a lot to me. We're gonna put all the information down below so you can check it out. Thank you, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.